Yo, Bryan. Okay, you know how I take freestyle dance every Tuesday, Thursday?
There's another recital?
No, that's next week. But, dude, I thought of the hottest dance move of 2019.
Well, the hottest dance move of 2018 put Grandma in the hospital, so...
No one could have accounted for that.
Everybody could have. She literally is 85 and has arthritis in her hips.
Okay, whatever. Besides the point. Dude, this is better than flossing, the Running Man, dabbing. You know what? I'm not even going to tell you or explain to you. I'm going to show you right now. Okay, it's called the washing machine. Dude, ready? You start out putting in the laundry. Put that laundry in, okay? Laundry's in. Oh, what's next? Put detergent. Fill up the detergent. Detergent's in, okay? Now we're ready. Power on.
Andrew? That is literally the best dance move I've ever seen in my life, baby!
Dude, I was washing machine. I was really nervous. I didn't know if you'd like it or not. Bro, how good is that?
We need to go show the people.
Yes.
The public needs to see
Let's show
this.
the public. Let's film. You must film outside. Let's film outside.
Oh, should we kiss? What?
All right, let's go film outside.
Let's go show the public,
Let's show the public. Good. All right, so first we're gonna throw in the laundry. Put the laundry in. Put that laundry in. Okay, we got the laundry in. Now put that detergent. Now power on.
Get the fuck off to the fucking football field, bro. Okay, yo, can I just see this ball real quick? Thanks, man.
Yo, good looks. Yeah, so this is going viral.
100%. Send it.
Send it.